Hi everyone, Dr. Joe Costello, the Foundation Doc, and today we're going to do something fun. We're going to talk about the treatments for plantar fasciitis that do not work. All right, so first on our list is an anti-inflammatory, okay? All this is going to do, this is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory. All it's going to do is reduce the inflammation that you're having, but it is not going to fix what is actually going on. It is a Band-Aid that's going to get you through some temporary pain. All right, next on the list, come down here with me, a tennis ball. Some people think that simply rolling their foot back and forth on a tennis ball, or it could be a frozen can of vegetables or a frozen can of water, is going to cure their plantar fasciitis. I'm here to tell you, guys, it's not going to work if that's the only thing you are doing, okay? Next on our list, come down here with me. This is a new shoe, okay? Some patients believe that all they have to do to fix their plantar fasciitis is simply get new shoes. I hear this all the time, almost on a daily basis. Patients think that, oh, all I have to do is get new shoes and it'll be taken care of. Unless you are walking around all day in bedroom slippers, going to the grocery store in your slippers, then purchasing new shoes alone is probably not going to help anything. All right? So next, we have, and I hate to offend you, Grandma, but essential oils, okay? Simply rubbing essential oils on your hand and rubbing it into your foot, giving somebody a foot massage with essential oils is not going to fix plantar fasciitis, okay? This is about the equivalent of, say you have a broken arm and rubbing essential oils on your arm to try to fix a broken bone. This alone is just not going to work, okay? Next on the list, this is right up there with the essential oils, is Epsom Salt, okay? A lot of people think Epsom Salt is the cure-all for everything. What they'll do is they'll put their foot into a bucket of water with Epsom Salt, just like that. Unfortunately, soaking your foot, although it feels good, it's not going to fix your plantar fasciitis. Next, all right, everybody's favorite vitamin, Flintstone vitamins. Now, although that these are yummy, I take them every day myself, believe it or not. They're yummy, they taste great. Unfortunately, they're not going to fix your sore foot. Moving on, steroid injections. Okay, so this right here, a large needle and a bottle of dexamethasone, a steroid. This used alone more than likely is not going to fix your plantar fasciitis. However, it can be useful to slow down and stop the inflammation. Some people get results from it, others do not. Okay? Last on the list, almost last, everybody's favorite shoe, a pair of Crocs. Okay? Unfortunately, these shoes are absolutely horrific in all cases, not just for plantar fasciitis, okay? These are not going to adequately support your foot, and your foot slops around in them too. If you have these shoes, get rid of them, okay? Now, last on the list, I apologize, Dr. Scholl, but these right here for heel pain, these are worthless, okay? These right here, even though they say they're for heel pain, all they are is a cushion, okay? Look at this. This offers no support whatsoever to the arch of your foot. It is not going to do a single thing to help you with your heel pain, all right? If you get these, please return them back to where you purchased them, okay? So there you have it, you guys. Those are some things that do not work for plantar fasciitis, at least when used alone, okay? If you have plantar fasciitis, please go see your foot and ankle doctor. They're going to be able to give you the best treatment. They know exactly what's going on, okay? Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not. We got a lot of other great videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, everyone.